Hey friends, TUXX here. For this particular video, I'll be taking a look at this belt from VATAN. That's V-A-T-A-N. Nothing is worse than your pants falling down, okay? Trust me. But you want a quality belt, something that looks good, it will be functional, and hopefully last a really long time. Belts take a lot of abuse, and that's where this comes in. This is available from Amazon. We'll have a link for this right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? But you can see it's a very nice package, comes very presentable, giftable, wrappable, but check it out, like it goes a step beyond. Like this thing is really wrapped well, like it has plastic on the end, you know, nice metal, and then the whole span of the belt actually is covered in this like little protective sleeve. Okay, so very cool. They really spare no expense when it comes to actually getting this to you in one chunk. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Check out this nice leather here. We're pulling it out. Very nice, big, generous holes. Very thick, very professional leather. This will look great with a variety of different pants. So very cool stuff. I think the biggest problem with this, probably, I love the packaging, but this is really packed well. I think I need my scissors here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut this out. I'm just gonna cut it this way. I think there's no easy way of like sneaking this out of the package. So we'll just go ahead and give this a cut, and be careful not to damage the belt though, this nice leather. So we'll keep going here. Oh my God. In my effort to cut this open, I cut the little loop here. I cannot believe I did that. Oh my God, what a fail. All right, learn from this, folks. Okay, I took one for the team here. I was having such a hard time cutting this. I cut the loop. Wow, that is epic fail time, guys. I don't even know if I can use this now. Protect yourself. Don't get overzealous cutting belts out of all the packaging. Very nice belt. Very nice packaging. I cannot believe I did that. That is absolutely crazy. All right, to recap, I cannot believe I cut that strap. Luckily, it does slide all the way out, so I think I can still use the belt. Love the quality of this leather. Very thick, very luxurious. Love the metal bracket. Seems very sturdy. I think this belt will last a long time as long as I don't cut it to pieces, all right? But very nice belt. I'd recommend these. There's a little tag for you. Again, I will have a link for you in the description right below. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.